What are you looking at me for?
Because I love your shirt.
It had to be decent.
Very happening. I love it. I love paisley designs, but...
Well, it's kind of weird because, you know, I had to get an extra large because I'm really a large size, but...
You're tall.
No, the way they make the shirts now, you never know.
Very true. Well, hopefully, I am hoping we have a Morocco box. I don't know why I feel like your shirt is very Morocco, you know.
Visual ideation.
Yeah, I don't know. We shall see. So we have another Universal Yums box for you. So let's see where we're gonna go. Spain! Woohoo!
Spain.
All right.
There you go. What's all the fun facts on there?
Well, this isn't the fun fact book. That is the fun fact book.
Well, have at it.
I will. Thank you.
There's a sticker in here. Don't need that.
All right, let's see.
How am I going to put that anyway? In my refrigerator?
Let's see how smart you are, Kevin.
Oh, snap.
Let's see.
College people, they think
here we
they're
go.
So grand.
Here we go.
Talk down.
Are you ready?
What? Yeah.
Spain is home of the third largest blank in the world. Dance competition, bottle of wine, beach, or football stadium?
Wine.
No, sir. Football stadium.
They call it football or they call it soccer over there?
Well, I don't know.
Because our football is football, theirs is like soccer. So
it
might be soccer. I'm asking.
Well, right. Well, this is what it says. Look no further than Camp Nou. The massive stadium seats nearly 100,000 people and has hosted some of the game's greatest players, such as Messi, Ronaldinho. I don't know. I can't even say half of these.
They're so famous.
And
You've
so many
never
more.
heard of them before.
Exactly.
Wow, they got a funny way of making you feel like you don't know what you're doing.
Here's one more, and then we're gonna get into the treats. Okay.
It's like, oh, thank you for imparting that.
So Kevin, one popular Spanish festival is celebrated by throwing tomatoes, shade, water balloons, or raw steak.
Wow. Water balloons?
No.
Oh no.
Tomatoes.
What is this? Like a nostalgic, like cultural ritual?
So it says burgers aren't the only things that are plant-based now. Parties are too. And before you say that's impossible, let us introduce you to La Tomatina, the biggest food fight in the world. Every year in August, more than 20,000 people gather to throw over 150,000 tomatoes at each other.
Doesn't that just drive food prices up?
I mean,
they make ketchup and hot
good
sauce
point.
and all kinds of stuff out of that.
Good
Most
point.
sauces use it for like some kind of a base.
Have you ever been in a food fight, Kevin?
Yes, I've been in a food fight.
You have?
Yes.
What did you throw?
I don't know, whatever was on my plate at my sister.
Oh no.
Yeah, they think they own you when they're older than you.
Mm.
And they usually do, you know. Then they tell mom, and you're in trouble twice.
Yeah, you're not supposed to play with your food, sir.
And then they tell your dad, and then you're in trouble 3 times. And then you just learn to take it like a real loser. Can't win. 3 against 1. Mm-mm.
All right, let's get into it. What's first?
Double
M?
M? I don't know. Oh, double M. Yeah. I'm adding extra.
You're adding extra
there.
letters.
Yeah.
Honey buttered flavored corn puffs. Ooh.
corn pops.
Honey butter flavor.
You get like corn something in a snack crate.
This isn't Snack Crate. This is Universal Yum.
I'm saying a snack crate, not the snack crate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They named something. That's like saying, we are a box. And then you're like, oh, in the box. Ah, it's not a box. Like, yeah, it is.
Honey butter. Ooh. They're the little puff things.
Remind me of Cheesy Poos.
Oh my goodness.
Here, have another one.
This.
They're all right.
Phenomenal.
You have limited choices on food products, and you're like, oh, this is so good.
It's so
I don't
good.
like anything fishy.
No. Nothing fishy. That's delicious.
Well, you can have it all later.
And very honeyed.
All right. We got. Wow.
You can't say it.
Ackhole.
Lemon pepper flavored potato chips.
All right, let's give that a try. Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. We like lemon pepper flavored stuff.
Well, it's like a new trend now. Weird exotic flavors. Is there a lemongrass one in there? Oh, it's like eating a spa. I don't know, something like that.
Go ahead, put your muscles into it.
Well, they do a good job packaging. No wonder why everybody sit there, huh? Right?
Listen to that. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Yeah. Well, that's how you know it's clean.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like a potato chip.
Lemon
There's
pepper.
two in there, so have at it.
Thank you.
You stuff it in your mouth. You like it?
The lemon gives it that like salt and vinegar chip. It's bitey. It's good.
It's stronger than I'd like.
If you like salt and vinegar chips, you'll like that.
Well, I eat raw lemons, and
He's so weird.
this is like overpowering for a potato chip.
Yeah, they are very strong, and you can
Well, the
smell.
lemon flavor is
Yeah,
like overpowering.
you can smell the lemon. You can definitely taste the lemon.
So if you want something lemon flavored that crunches like a potato chip and then eventually tastes like one when the flavor kind of washes down your throat,
This is for you.
this is for you.
I like it.
I'd just rather eat a lemon. Yeah. I don't know, I'm weird like that. Can't get any more organic than that.
Very.
The real thing.
Yeah.
Here we go again with the ACHO, A-C-H-O. How do you say that?
I don't know.
Friday.
Oh, we've had this before.
Have we?
I'm pretty.
What, like breakfast or something?
Yeah, I'm pretty positive with Snack Crate, with these Snack
Friday
Crate.
potato chips.
I'm pretty sure we've had it, and it smelled awful.
I don't know.
Let's see.
Maybe their brand is better. I'm just wondering about those saucy people over there throwing tomatoes at each other.
I
wonder why they
remember,
call their dance the salsa.
right? I remember
Terrible
this
joke,
smelled
terrible joke.
like rotten egg. Does it smell eggy?
I don't know. Have a whiff.
Doesn't.
Well,
No.
eat it.
We'll see.
You spend a lot of time talking about the snack. You just put it in your mouth. Find out for yourself.
No.
It tastes like the
white of
the
an
white
egg.
when it's kind of on the
Oh.
pan and it kind of gets like crispy. I don't know why you eat that first.
Oh, that is awful.
It tastes like what it's supposed to
It
taste like.
legit tastes like a raw egg. Oh,
Raw egg.
like the
No,
like
not
the
raw.
slimy white gross
It's
part.
the stuff that burns brown when you make your eggs on the frying pan.
That's
That's what it
horrid.
tastes like, only it's not so buttery.
I do not know who in their right mind would ever buy that as a snack.
I don't know.
You can't
people
tell me
must
you
like
like that at all.
No, I just like to eat breakfast, and I'm not gonna eat a bag of potato chips as a substitute. Be like, oh, I'm imagining it's a real breakfast.
We need to move on to get that taste out of our mouths. That's bad.
Well, it does taste exactly like it's supposed to be.
It does. So you get an A+ for that, Spain.
Yeah, you would. Okay, there's spicy mangoes.
Spicy mangoes.
These are gummies.
Oh.
Vital or something. I think that's what it says. There we go.
Let's see how spicy the spicy is.
Another really tough pack to open. Oh, actually not. Well, yeah, it kind of is because it like ripped underneath it. All right, so let's give it a. Oh, it smells so nice.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Gummies.
OMG, that's hot.
No.
What?
It's not hot.
It touched my lips and my lips are burning. Are you kidding me? See? It is hot. Oh, that's bad.
It's hot for some people.
I'm some people.
All right, so we have sour kiwi slices, and they are gummies.
Thank God.
I think it's Vidal.
I don't know, but I am
All right, so
burning up.
I guess they were trying to emulate like what a kiwi would look like in a gummy.
Oh, look at that. That's cute. And look at all that wonderful sour. You have to show them one up close. All this wonderful sour sugar.
Sour sugar?
Instead of sour.
Sugar is not sour, it's sweet. The gummy might be sour.
Now that's good.
Not bad.
I love that one. All right, so
Okay.
next up
It's Conguito's peanut cream made
milk
something.
chocolate.
I don't know if I'm even reading this right because they don't have English on there.
Milk chocolate peanut cream wafer. That sounds delicious.
Well, we'll see.
Okay. Oh, they're individually wrapped.
Yeah, one for you, one for me.
We'll just split a piece.
I want my own. Get your own, you nasty. Eat after
We're just
people.
sampling right
I'm
now.
just kidding. There you go.
Oh,
See, I broke.
thank you.
See, it's like a little chocolate bar that's it's got segments to it. What, you don't like it?
I love it.
Seems like it could be like a Kit Kat.
That is so good.
Only better. It's really gooey.
To me, it's like a Reese's with a wafer in it. Oh. Good job, Spain.
Yeah, I like it.
I do too.
La Casistos.
La Casita? I don't know. White chocolate and caramel candy.
Well, we'll see. Looks like M&M's.
Uh-huh.
See? Like M&M's. Whoa. Have at it.
Thank you. Yeah. Just like an M&M.
No, I don't like them.
You don't?
Don't like them at all. I like M&M's. They're all yours.
I like them.
There's a weird flavor. Weird after flavor.
I don't know. I don't taste an after flavor, but that's okay.
Something. I don't know how you say this, but that's what it is.
Cocoa dusted salted caramel truffle.
Oh wait, there's something out here. Yeah, sticker from the other candy wrapper.
A salted caramel truffle.
Yeah, it sounds delicious.
It does sound delicious.
It tastes like. Put this in a pack. All right. Wow.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. Looks really rich.
Oh, it smells really rich.
Yeah, it's gooey. It's very, here, have at it. Don't drop it, because it's going to be laundry time for you.
Oh my.
It melted in the box, but
That is so good.
I like chocolate bits. Oh wow, that's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Like that will mess up your clothes.
Yeah, watch your fancy shirt.
My fancy shirt.
Mmm.
I gotta wash my hands.
Okay.
I'm back.
We are almost at the end.
It's just
Oh, the yum
Yum
bag.
bag.
What will we have in here?
try one of these guys here.
Mm-hmm.
That's chewy.
Yeah, it probably wouldn't have been good for my...
I think there's caramel in there.
Yep. It smells caramely.
I don't know what it is, honestly, because there's a weird flavor in there.
Let me see. That one is a
You know what it is.
pistachio flavored toffee. So with that last candy, we have made it through Spain's Universal Yum Box. And
I didn't like that last one. It was pretty gross. I know you didn't see me eat it, but you wouldn't want me to.
It was that bad. We had to edit it out.
To see me eat that thing, it was pretty. I mean, the intention of candy, like the way they made it, probably was like really a great idea, but it doesn't taste too well. It wasn't really fun.
Well, overall, I really liked
Like
Spain's
the bag
box.
suggests.
Did you like Spain's box overall?
Overall, no.
No?
No.
Oh, see, I thought this was one of the better boxes lately.
Their chocolate's good. They have very good chocolate.
They do. So what was your favorite, Kevin? We always have to rate our snacks.
It was that chocolate one that was segmented.
Oh,
That was segmented.
yes. That was the, what was that? The milk chocolate peanut butter wafer.
That was good.
That was good. You mean you didn't love the egg chips?
Nope. I could have that for breakfast without the bag
That was
chips.
terrible.
I don't see why I'd go to the store to buy some. You know?
Yeah, I'm thinking...
I mean, if you meet somebody who doesn't know what eggs taste like, you're like, here, try this. Oh, wow, I must...
Yeah, that milk chocolate peanut butter wafer and the very first one, the honey butter flavored puffs. I love them.
Okay.
They were good. So tell us in the comments below if you have tried the Spain box or what snack you think looked good. And we hope that you will follow us for more, not snack crate, more Universal Yums.
Universal Yums. Why?
I know. I have to get my boxes straight. But we hope that you will join us for more Universal Yums adventures and all of our other adventures. We have a lot of great things coming up. We have 3 cruises we'll be going on, and we can't wait to show you what those are like. And we have a Disney video coming out from our last Disney trip. And we'll be talking to you guys real soon. Bye, guys.